Good evening once again, ladies and gentlemen. This is um, Automated School Batch 17th of March 2017 and Group 1. I remain my humble self, Mentor Nick, and this is our business game meeting 1. So I want to welcome each and every one of us again to the meeting once again. I'm sure that every one of us had a lovely day and we're not stressed up. So far, the our stay in the guidance school has been eventful and interesting. I'm sure the whole lot of us are able to acquire one or two additional knowledge to what we have before. We're able to we're able to learn skills. We're able to learn more applications, how to use some applications in our day-to-day activities and also in promoting the MMM community, both on social media, offline and online. And we are at the end of rounding up this training and we are the business game. Like I mentioned yesterday in meeting, the business game task is the mother of all tasks, and it's required that every member, every student should participate actively in the business game chat, in the business game tasks. Sorry. So all students have been grouped into circles, and you have been asked to work as a group. The business game task is the only group task in the guidance school. All other tasks are individual taxes. So I believe every one of us were in different circles, and we've picked our representative, and we started working actively on our document. So far, I have given us tax 1 to I think 4, and maybe after the meeting tonight, I'll drop tax 5 to 7. So it is expected of course to what finalize our tax package 10. Get solutions and package it in a Google Documents link, which you can share or you can send so that I can view and review why your presentation. So we will likely start presentations on Tuesday. So I want to give us tomorrow is off. Tomorrow is on holiday in the guidance school, so no work tomorrow. So what I want to give you guys Monday to finalize Monday and before a meeting on Tuesday to finalize a business game task. So I will be calling at the circles randomly. So before 2 hours before our meeting time, I'll let us know which circles to present on Tuesday. We're going to have presentations for Tuesday, Wednesday, and if possible Thursday. Within 3 days, we should be done with all circles. So I'm going to give us some time between Tuesday. I'm going to go to Monday and Tuesday to finalize all work that needs to be done. So, like I said, this meeting might be short or might be long, depend on your questions you have about the business tax. But basically, it's a tax that you need to actually understand and have it at the back of your mind because it talks about the building of the community, about the building of the community, sustaining the community, and what strategies you need to do to make sure that the community keep running. It's a life experience, so it's expected of all students to be actively involved. Like I said in the WhatsApp group, that I'm monitoring all groups, and so far, I don't know what's happening to group 5. I don't know what happened to group 4. Group 3, I was told that we only have 3 persons there, 3 or 4 persons there. Uh, uh, this is it. No business game, no graduation. That has been the rules and it has not changed. So everybody that participated actively, I have your names. I'm monitoring everybody's contribution. That's why every student must contribute. So no business game, that's no graduation. So I advise you to be actively involved in this task. This is the mother of all tasks in the um, in the guidance school. Like I said in our meeting yesterday, the end what justifies the means. The end justifies the means. See, better is the end of the thing than the beginning. So you don't need to give up now. You're putting more time from your day one to day six, and now it's the mother of all tasks. You don't need to give up at this point in time. You need to put in your best and make your best, work for you. So I don't know if the representative of the circles are here. So far, I have students active in circle 1 to 5. Circle 6, there's a few. Circle 7, a few. Circle 8, no students there. So we have 17 circles, and I don't know what happens to every other person. But so far, I'm going to work with what I have. I'm going to work with the number of students I have, and I'm going to graduate the number of students I have if they have all done their tasks rightly. They're all done the tasks rightly. So before I forget to, I would also want to notify us that marking of your taxes has commenced um, actively. So for any time from now, you start seeing some of your taxes are fully green. If they are if they are not fully green, if it's been marked or there's any observation, you get an email to that effect to make your change corrections. And we also get an email to that effect that you made your correction, and we'll also go back to it and mark. All students will be marked accordingly, whether right or wrong. If you're right, if you're wrong, you will be asked to do it rightly. So that is that about that. So business game. I don't know if you have any questions. Like I said, this meeting will be long or will be short, depending on issues that we have to resolve. So does anyone have any question on the business game tax? Or if not business game, if you have any questions on previous tasks, if you have any challenges about them, we can equally quickly go back to them and get them resolved. So I wait for your questions, please. You can chat, you can drop your questions via chat. For those that are following us on YouTube Live, you can drop your questions and via chat. And for those that are up live, you can speak up and we'll get all issues resolved. So wait for your questions, please.
Hello, mentor. Hello, mentor.
Yeah, speak.
Please, good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
For group 5, I think the major, as in people that are active in group 5 are actually chatting based on the Circle 5 platform, not on WhatsApp. So I don't know if you're
Yes,
following us through that platform.
yeah, I am following Circle 5 based through the site, the school site. I'm following Circle 5 through that. I follow all circles through that. If you notice, I also dropped all the taxes in individual circles. I dropped tax 3 and 4 in individual circles
All right,
chats. So I followed. I'm following everybody. I'm following everybody. So I'm noting everybody too. I'm noting everybody too. So I follow you on WhatsApp. I follow you on the group chat, on the school chat, on the circle chat. Is that okay, Uzo?
Fine. It's fine, sir. Thank you.
Okay, okay. Please. Any other question, please? If you are following us live via YouTube, you can type in your questions on the Hangout chat, and I will respond. I will answer them accordingly. Barry said, I have not fully understand the offline promotion tax, especially the sample you showed. Please, can you show it again? Okay, like I said, the offline promotion tax, the aim is for you to know how to draft a proposal to request for funding in the MMM community. As guiders, you are expected to carry out offline um, promotions at each at interval. The aim is to develop the community. The aim is to create awareness for the community. The aim is to teach and impart the knowledge, the ideology of MMM within your immediate community. So, as part of the in carrying out that activities, it is expected of you to have some expenditures, and part of the way the way of the administrations of MMM in supporting guidance in carrying out such activities is to finance them, is to finance guidance to offset part of the bills. Now, the tax is asking you that you are giving, you are requesting for fund of a total of 1,000 US dollars. How do you best to expend this fund? If you are giving 1,000 US dollars, how are you going to spend it in carrying out your offline promotion? So that is what the tax is all about. And like I said, the key point in the offline promotion is that your full name must be there, your school name must be there, the batch number and group. This is batch 2017-0317, group 1. And your mentor's name. Some persons don't still know my name, but it's allowed. Your mentor's name is Mentor Nick. And also, very, very important, the venue you are going to use for the event, you must state it in name and in picture. The administrators want to see how the venue look like, the venue you want to use. They want to see how it look like. So it's very simple. If you have pictures of the venue, you can screenshot and add the link to it, or you can also use the search engine Google to search your venue pictures and copy the link and paste on your proposal. Then also the Google map on how you can locate the venue is also a vital key for the offline promotion. The administrators want to know how they can locate the venue if they want to come. They don't need to call you. So it's very, very simple. Like I showed you yesterday, you also use search engine, Google search, click on map, and to give you the description on how you can locate the venue. Just copy the link and paste on your proposal, and that marks it correct. And the next thing is your targeted audience. The targeted audience. How many people are you planning for? How many people are you expecting? How many people are you expecting in the offline in your event? Then the next thing is optimize what you want to expend the 1,000 US dollars for. If you want to buy biscuits for 1,000 dollars, put biscuits. If you want to buy biro, put whatever you want to expend, you have to expend it and make sure it does not exceed 1,000 US dollars. Make sure it does not exceed 1,000 US dollars. Now this is it. At the end of every financed offline promotional event, it is expected of you to send a recorded to send the record of the event. So it's as well as you have a video camera that will record the event live, then you send the video to the administrators to actually assess the event which they have financed. So before the video gets ready, maybe because of the editing and this thing, it's expected of you to send pictures ahead. So the picture speaks for you that, okay, you've gotten this fund and you've used it judiciously in this way and this way and this way. So the pictures and videos are very, very vital in giving a report back as regards the event the administrators as finance. Then also you get finance, you get paid via the cryptocurrency, which which MMM uses, which is called Bitcoin. They are being financed through Bitcoin. If the administrators are going to pay you, are going to finance you with 1,000 USD, they will not pay 1,000 USD into your local bank account, maybe your First Bank, Zenith, Access. No. They transfer the money directly to your what? Your wallet address, to your Bitcoin wallet address. So it's expected of you to create a Bitcoin wallet and provide a Bitcoin wallet address, so which the money will be what? Wired into. So you get money to your Bitcoin wallet, then you convert it to your local cash and use it to spend it on the activities you have completed your offline promotion. So that is that on the offline promotion. Then also majorly your name must be stated, your status, your guider status, if you're a 10K plus guider, and 100K plus guider, a 1K plus guider, there about that. Just you have to state it there. So Barry said I should show samples again. So quickly I'll share my screen. I'll share my screen with you guys to show samples of the offline promotion so that you can see how it looks like. Then very, very important, I mentioned yesterday, someone asked a question, is it only the Google Sheets you could use to present your offline promotion? And my response was that the Google Sheet is recommended because it makes your work organized, it makes your work look smarter, it makes your work aligned, it makes your work speak professional of you. That is why the Google Sheet is what is recommended. You can as well use the Google Doc and the Google Slide, depend on you. The main thing is that make sure that all those high points I've mentioned are available in your work. That marks your work correctly. So quickly, I'm going to share. I'm going to share my screen with you as regards the offline promotion and show you how it works once again. So yeah, this is it. Offline promotion of MMM in XYZ state capital, population 750, budget, proposal for MMM charity presentation. So the venue, Aurora Event Center, XYZ. This is in Osun State, Osogbo, Aurora Event Center. So the Google map, like I said, it will give you the description on how to go about, how to locate the venue. You can easily locate the venue via the Google map. Then the picture of the venue, that's I just want to see how the hall look like, what's the capacity of the hall, and that's what's called the external picture and everything. Then the picture of the hall. Then the speaker who is giving the speech, who is going to lecture on that day. So it could be you, it could be your guider, it could be your co-guiders, and some of your downliners who are actively inclined about the ideology of MMM to put them. So your expected attendees, your targeted what's it called? Your targeted number of expected participants for the event, then the date of the event, the date you're going to hold the event, then a brief description. It's a promotional campaign around the city of Osogbo, Osun State Capital, to create awareness of MMM. That is the aim of the execution of the promotion. Then you also have the purpose of the event, to teach participants the ideology of MMM, to educate participants on what MMM is, using projectors and sound system, to present to participants how Marvel grows at 30% monthly, to answer every questions asked by participants, blah 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 blah. Then your breakdown, how you're going to spend it. So if you're giving 1,000 USD, according to this, okay, we'll spend 434 USD on renting of hall, because we don't own the hall. Then we'll do handbills, cosmetic shirts, we'll rent projectors, we have banners, then video recording and pictures, because we need to send a report, a feedback report on the event. So the video recording will speak about the event in our absence. Renting of our sound system, DJ, refreshment. You can have a whole lot of things that you want to do. Then you spend, just fraction out the cost in naira and the dollar equivalent, and make sure it does not exceed 1,000 USD. It can be 1,000 USD on the dot, but it should not exceed 1,000 USD. You must also state your conversion rate. If it's $1 to 1 naira, let us know. If it's $1 to 500 naira, let us know. In $1 to 300 naira, you let us know. So the promotional budget is prepared by Nicholas, a potential guider, and then the Bitcoin wallet. Put your Bitcoin wallet, like I said. That is where you get the money from. Okay, so this is I used this as an example yesterday while I was showing you how to, get the link and also shorting the link. So I think that is that for now. I've been able to justify that. Barry, I hope you're clear with that. Yeah. So that's all for the offline promotion. Then you submit your link. Yeah, very, very, very important. Your link. You need to submit your link. This is the link you copy. You copy this link and submit. And I said you must share. You click on this and share your link with everybody to view and submit. So that is all for that. Thank you for that question. I hope I've done justice to it once more. Thank you. So I off my screen now. Yeah. So any other question, please, as regards? Okay. Olubumi asked a question here, and our question is, how are we going to submit the tax 1 to 4? Is it presentation or YouTube? Okay, this is how we're going to do it. Each circles are going to have their own meeting, their own presentation meeting. Like I said, I'll give you guys till Tuesday 4 p.m. to round up your work. By 4 or 5 p.m. Nigeria time, I'll let you know the circles that will present on Tuesday. I'm going to pick randomly. It's not going to be a particular. So each circle is going to present, and before the presentation, you're expected to document your work in a Google Doc, a Google slide, or a Google Doc. You can use Doc or use slide. And then you present your work. You send me the link. Then, so that while presenting, I'll go through it before presentation. While presenting, I can also go through it and ask questions from from it. So each circle will be meeting like this. Only the number of persons in that circle will be meeting like this. We might not broadcast live for other for other members of other circles to join the meeting, because each circle is not expected to exceed 9 persons. So the Google Hangout allow for 10 persons in the meeting. So we are all going to meet like this, and I'll take my attendance from there, and that determines, that's also a rating determinant. So I'll show you. Let me quickly show you. Share my screen and show you a sample of how your work should look like as regards your business game presentation in terms of the document. So I'm sharing my screen quickly once again, and okay, yeah, let me share from here. Okay, this is it. So like you see, this is the document prepared by a batch long time ago, very long time ago, sometimes last year. So this is going to look like. This is a Google slide. This is a Google slide. So development of MMM in Thailand, and this is a link you copy to me. You copy and send to me, and you're going to share. So this is it. The first page is the title. Then the next page is the names of those that worked on that document. That's names of those in the circle, then their strategy or thereabout. So in presenting yours, you put in your task first. After your task, you go to the solution. After the task, you go to the solution. After each task, you go to the solution, step by step, take and what's it called? So this task 2, same thing, same approach till it gets to the end. That's task 7. So it gets to task 7. It's a long one. The long one gets to task 7 and something like this. So, like I said, your presentation speaks of you. Your packaging talk about you. So when you package your work well, it makes you look more professional, makes you look more responsible. So I want you guys to, to do a good job. Have give me something tough. Give me something tough that for me to really try and crack. So that's that. That's that on that. So I hope I'll be able to answer that. Charles, network too bad from here. Sorry for that. You can always go back to the link on YouTube and listen all over to the meeting again, and you get all we've discussed so far. So I don't know. Is there any other question, please, before we call it a day? Any other question? Any other question, please? Okay. In the absence of no questions, I'll drop the remaining of the tasks on the WhatsApp page, on the Circle chat page, on the school site, and the general chat page on the school chat. I want you guys to tackle those questions. Take your time, relax, tackle them, and on your presentation day, I wish you guys the best. Abdul Malik, thank you for attending the meeting tonight. Adeyinka, thank you for attending the meeting tonight. Zubike, thank you for attending the meeting tonight. Barry, thank you for attending the meeting tonight. Oposa, thank you for attending the meeting tonight. Olubumi, thank you for attending the meeting tonight. Salami, thank you for attending the meeting tonight. Uzoma, thank you for attending the meeting tonight. Vaku, thank you for attending the meeting tonight. And Salamido, thank you. Charles, thank you for following on YouTube. And every other person's Party board, okay. Thank you for following the meeting. Thank you all. We'll meet again on Monday. So enjoy your weekend. Enjoy your rest day tomorrow. And from me to you, I will always love you all, like always. And it's a good night for me. So please, handle your tax seriously. Handle your tax seriously. Handle your tax seriously. Have representatives, at least 2 representatives that represent you. So it's a good night for me from here. Expect the remainder of your tax as earlier mentioned. Thanks. Bye for now.